Jason, this is a really bittersweet moment for me. I have thoroughly enjoyed our time together, and I hope you have gained some knowledge in your time with me, more knowledge than you gained without me. Uh, I'm going to miss having you in my class. Loved our conversations we used to have. You always kept me on my toes. I never knew where you were going to be coming with, or what you were going to be coming with whenever we got a chance to talk. Uh, Continue being who you are, know who you are, and accept who you are. Appreciate it. Understand the importance of doing your work and never settling. Shoot for the moon. Okay, when you shoot for the moon, you will see yourself do things you never thought were possible. And if you need help and need to talk to somebody, find someone that you can trust, and ask the questions you need to ask. Okay, never be scared to ask for help, because it's only when you ask for help that you can get an answer that will truly help you. Okay, sir? So, son, enjoy it, live it up, and don't forget about me. Come visit from time to time. Okay? Talk to you later.